Morning, children. So we were doing second lesson of Hornbill. That is, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. On page 15, the last passage from here. Then I remembered we had another electric pump under the chart room floor from here. So now we see that how the Baywalker, the boat which took 16 years in training in the sea, and when it was built, consumed all the savings of the narrator, and how he was struggling in the sea water with the stormy winds as well as very high sea waves, and all the things inside the boat, they were all, you see, drowned. They were all underwater, spoiled. Now then I remembered we had another electric pump under the chart room floor. I connected it to an out pipe and was thankful to find that it worked. So all other pumps, they were out of work, but this electric pump, that was functional. The night dragged on with an endless, bitterly cold routine of pumping. पूरी रात जो है narrator along with the crew, he was pumping out water from the boat, otherwise it could have sunk, डूब जाती. Steering and working the radio, we were getting no replies to our mayday calls. जो रेडियो सिग्नल्स थे जो शिप के अंदर यूज़ किए जाते हैं, कोई भी उसको रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा था, विच वॉज नॉट सरप्राइजिंग इन दिस रिमोट कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. और ये सरप्राइज की भी बात नहीं थी, बिकॉज ही वॉज इन द रिमोट कॉर्नर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. सूज हैड स्वेलन अलार्मिंगली. उसकी डॉटर जो इंजरी हुई थी, दैट वॉज a very dangerous injury in the head. She had two enormous black eyes, and now she showed us a deep cut on her arm. There was deep cut on her arm, और eye के ऊपर there was a big swollen. Now when I asked why she hadn't made more of her injuries before this, she replied, I didn't want to worry you when you were trying to save us all. जब नरेटर ने अपनी डॉटर से पूछा कि when she got such a big injury, why did she not inform him? Now she told she was, even at the age of 7, she was a very understandable girl. She didn't want to trouble her parents, who were trying their level best to save them all from drowning into the sea. उसने उनको परेशान नहीं करना चाहा. By morning on January 3rd, the pumps had the water level sufficiently under control for us. और जनवरी 3rd तक जो pumps थी, had the water level sufficiently under control for us to take 2 hours rest and rotation. इसमें डेट्स वगैरह भी याद करनी पड़ेंगी. 3rd जनवरी तक वाटर थोड़ा कंट्रोल हुआ ताकि वो रोटेशन से 2 घंटे आराम कर सकें. But we still had tremendous leak somewhere below the water line, and on checking एक बहुत बड़ा लीकेज हो रहा था, I found that nearly all the boats main rib, जो बोट्स जो थी main rib, that is the rib कहते हैं, that is curved timber of ship, जो घुमावदार लकड़ी होती है उसको, फ्रेम वर स्मैश्ड, वो सब टूट चुके थे डाउन टू द कील. इन फैक्ट देयर वाज नथिंग होल्डिंग अप अ होल सेक्शन ऑफ द स्टारबोर्ड, जो लोअर पार्ट था शिप का, राइट साइड ऑफ द शिप हल, एक्सेप्ट अ फ्यू कबर्ड्स पार्टीशंस, कुछ को छोड़कर बाकी सब डैमेज हो चुका था. सो up to here I hope you must have understood it. Now the next in the next video.